Hi, so this is another dance video. Today we're going to be doing Rumba. So Rumba is very similar to Cha-Cha. It's a lot of the moves are the same, it's just the timings that are a little bit different. So if we're going to start like we did in the Cha-Cha with, well, we'll start with feet closed actually. So we're going to go to the left first, and we're just going to do a side step. So in Rumba the counts go 2, 3, 4, 1. So how that's going to look is you're going to step to the side on your left on 2, and then you're going to put your arm out as well. So it's going to be like 2, 3, and then close on the 4, 1. And so between the 4 and the 1, it's like a pause. You have to wait a bit because then that is where you get the hip action. But if you're new to dance, don't worry about that. So we're going to go to the left for the first bit. So it's going to be 2, 3, 4, 1, and we're going to go to the right with the same thing. 2, 3, 4, 1, and then to the left again. 2, 3, 4, 1. So just to make that look a bit nicer, you want to keep your steps small, small and tight. So when you step to the left, you want all your weight on your left leg when you're stepping that way, so you can really get over onto that leg. So yeah, the left. And then bring your arm out. I do something sort of like where I move my arm like this. It's up to you what you want to do. I do that, but you know, it's all a stylistic choice. And so 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then we're going to do the New Yorkers like we did in the Cha-Cha video. So I'll just quickly go through them again. You're going to go on your right leg and you're going to go across your body like this. And it's the same with the Cha-Cha. You want your weight on your front foot, so you go step forward like this, all your weight on your front foot, so like, you know, you could lift your back leg up and it's fine. So you've done your 3 steps, so 2 and then 3, and then you bring it back for 4, 1. So if I show you the whole movement, I usually lift my arm up in New Yorkers. You can lift them to the side or up, it's up to you. So we're going to go 2, 3, 4, 1. So then, yeah, you want your weight then on your right leg when you come back. So if I do that again, it's 2, 3, 4, 1. And then we're going to do the same on the right. 2, 3, 4, 1. And then on the left again. 2, 3, 4, 1. So all together, so far we've got 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we're going to do a spin. So you take your left leg across your body like you did with the New Yorker. So that's 2. And then you're going to turn on 80 degrees, 3. And then you're going to step to the side so you're back facing where you were before on the 4, 1. So if I do that again, it'll be 2, 3, 4, 1. And obviously if you can spot your head, that's good. By spotting your head, I mean when you go over, you fix your head up, like your focal point, your eyes, on one spot, and then when you turn, you keep your eyes on that spot until the last minute when you move your head, and it makes it look a little bit sharper. So if I go from the beginning again, we've got 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we're going to do 2 rumba walks and spirals. So this is where it might get a little bit more complicated. So when you've done your spin, let me just see what weight we're on. 4, 1. So you should be on your weight on your left leg. So that means your right leg is free to go forward. So you're going to see me go in this direction. So hopefully you can do the same kind of angle in your dance space. So you're just going to go walk forward 2 steps. So 2, 3. So if I show you the whole 2 steps in spiral, then I can break it down for you. So you've done the spin, 3, 4, 1. Then you go 2, 3, 4, 1. So then, how you do that? So you've done your forward step. You then do another forward step, and you're going to turn to your left. If I move back a bit so you can see. So, and it's quite quick. So you just turn on you're not moving like your feet, you're literally just turning on your feet. Ooh. It's quite difficult to do slow. It's easier once you do it to music, or at least I find. So tips on that is that you're literally just, if I go really slow, you're literally just on the balls of your feet. I don't know if you can see that, but on the balls of your feet, you're just spinning, and so you end up with your like your knees together, and yeah, that helps with the balance. So this might take you a few goes to practice. So if you want to pause the video and practice that, that's fine. And if I go from the beginning to show you everything all together, so we've got 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Right. Your legs should look like this, so you've got your left foot crossed in front of your right foot. I'll then show you what the next bit we're doing is, and it should make more sense for you to see it first. Yeah, we'll do that. So, forward, forward, spiral, and then you're going to go forward on your left leg, forward, and then you're going to go side on your right leg, and then close. So now you're facing 90 degrees to a different direction than you were before. So I'm throwing a bit more angles in this dance. So the first bit, you know, pick a direction you're facing, then you're going to go off into like the corner of, well, the corner of my room, so it might be a corner of where you are, and then you're going to end up facing 90 degrees. So if I do that again, you've got forward, forward, spiral, forward, side, close. Right, so once you're here, you go back on your right leg, back, and then you're going to do something called a press step. So it means you just put your right foot in front of you, but on the ball of your foot, so your heel is lifted. So it's meant to look like a nice line, basically. So if I show you that again, it's the count is 2, 3, 4, 1. So you're going to go back, replace, press step. Now you can do what you want with your arms for this. I'm going to lift my arm up as I go into the press step. So do 2, 3, 4, 1. So you're going to go back and press, and then out to get out of this, you're going to go to the side on your left leg, side and close. So that's the whole routine. I'll do that from the beginning now to show you how everything fits together. And then I will record it to music so that you can see what it's like with the music. We go 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. New Yorkers, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and spin. 2, 3, 4, 1. Then you'll walk forward. 2, 3, spiral, forward, side, close. Then you're going to go back and press, side and close. So that's the whole routine we're doing for this video. We'll probably add on to it again in the future. So now I'm going to dance it to music. So.